Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve this simple question on the board. Now look at what you are given. We are given that 1 plus 10 raised to the power of s equals to 100 raised to the power of s. We are asked to find the value of what? X. This problem is as simple as ABCD. Let's concentrate on our right hand side, which is 100 raised to the power of what? X. Let's put 100 in index form, okay? So that what this is 1 plus what? 10 raised to the power of what? X equals to, remember that 10 raised to the power of 2 is what? Is 100. Or raised to the power what? S, because the exponent here is what? Is x. Okay, and we know that this is 1 plus what? 10 raised to the power what? X equals to, remember that the index inside the parentheses can multiply the index outside the parentheses. If this is true, then we are not wrong to decide to write, you are not wrong if we decide to write this as what? Into 10 raised to the power of s or raised to the power what? 2, because s times 2 is the same as what? 2 times what? X. This is amazing and beautiful. Now consider something is common. What is common? Consider we having 10 raised to the power of x here and also having 10 raised to the power of s. So we are not wrong if we decide to write what? Let what is common, which is 10 raised to the power of s, equals to what? P, because it's common, right? Note that this is 1 plus what? P equals to into p raised to the power what? 2. And this is the same thing as p squared. That means 1 plus p equals to what? P squared. Let's move whatever thing or what is our left hand side to our right hand side. So if we move this to our right hand side and also move this to our right hand side. So remember that let's say this is our right hand side, right? Now if this crossover become here, become what? Minus p. And if this one crossover become what? Minus 1. And what will be left here is just what? 0. Wow, and this is what? Quadratic work equation. Our question here is that can this problem be factorized? Let's observe carefully. The product here is what? Minus 1. The sum here is minus 1. So what number can we multiply and have minus 1, and when we subtract them or add them, 1 minus 1, since the equation of p here is minus 1? By looking at this problem, we cannot factorize. So what are we going to do? Let's not waste our time. Let's use quadratic formula. We say that a square plus what? We say that s is equals to minus b plus minus the square root of what? B square minus 4ac, okay, divided by what? 2a. This is what? Quadratic formula. Some people call it almighty formula, but I'm not interested in almighty. This is just quadratic formula because it derives it from quadratic. Okay, now here our a here is 1. Since the equation of p here, p square is 1, so our a is equals to 1. Our a is equals to what? 1, comma, our b is equals to what? Minus 1, and our c is equals to what? Minus what? 1. What you have to do is just to substitute this value in this problem, then we have our what? Our p. But did you know what we are going to do? We are not going to use x. We can use here as what? P. That p is equals to this, okay? Since we are working with p, we are not working with x, okay? So you can see that p is equals to minus b into b is what? Minus b, and b is minus 1, okay? Plus minus the square root of what? B square. B is what? B is minus 1, or what? Square minus 4 into a is what? A is 1. Then c is what? C is minus 1, okay? Divided by what? Divided by 2. A is what? Divided by 2a, which a is what? 1. That means our p will be equals to minus times minus will give us plus 1, okay? Plus minus the square root of what? Now minus 1 squared is just minus 1 times minus 1, which is what? 1. Then minus 4 times minus 4 times 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 times 1 is what? 4. Because minus times minus is positive. 7 here is what? Plus 4. Divided by what? 2. Because 2 times 1 is 2. That means our p is equals to 1 plus minus the square root of what? 5 divided by what? 2. This implies that our p is equals to 1 plus what? Root 5 divided by what? 2. Or our p is equals to 1 minus root 5 divided by what? P. This is the value of p. But remember, we are not asked to solve for what? P. We are asked that what is the value of what? X. Now, we can do what? Let's keep a space, okay, so that we can find the value. Now, let's recall that from here, that 10 raised to the power of s is equals to what? P. Now, let's see when p is equals to this, okay? This is p, you can call this 1, and this is what? 2. Now, when p is equals to 1, this, let's see. That means 10 raised to the power of s will be equals to 1 plus what? Root 5 divided by what? 2. Is that all? No. What are we going to do? logarithm will help us. Let's take the log of both sides. So the log of what? The log of 10 raised to the power of s is equals to what? Log of what? Log of 1 plus what? Root 5 divided by what? 2. Now let's obey one of the properties of logarithm. The power here, which is s, can go back to multiply the log. So what this is s log what? Log 10 equals to log of what? 1 plus what? Root what? 5 divided by what? 2. Now remember that log any number to its own base in 1. I've told you that any logarithm without a specific base, note that logarithms are always in base 10. That means the base here is what? 10. The base here is what? 10. Log 10 base 10 is 1. And 1 x times 1 is still what? Is still x. That is to say that our x is equals to log what? Log 1 plus what? Root 5 divided by what? 2. This is one of the value of x. We can also use this to find the value of x. Okay, so let me not clean anything. Let me just use the upside. Okay, you can also use this. So once that taking log of both sides, okay, log of 10 raised to the power of x equals to what? Now let's take one piece. This 1 minus what? Log of what? Log of 1 minus root 5 divided by what? 2. And this will give us s. Remember, equals to, because for bring this s here, everything here will be 1. So s times 1 is still 1. What that this is log what? Log 1 minus 1 root 5 divided by what? 2. This is also the value of s, and this is also the value of s. That means s is equals to what? Log of 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. That means if you simplify what is here and take the logarithm of that, what the value, okay, you are going to have the value of s. And also if you simplify what is here and take the logarithm of that, you have the value of s. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it very interesting, don't hesitate. Do well to like, comment, and so share it to loved ones or others will learn from it. Please, if you're not subscribed, consider to subscribe to this channel so that anytime I load an exciting video, you notify. So thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye bye.